Hello everyone, welcome back to another water park here in Central Florida. First off the bat, I want to apologize for the lack of good audio quality. My microphone is not waterproof, so I'm having to just use my camera. You're gonna hear some weird noises because we have this too. You get some stuff. I've already been here for about an hour or two, and Blizzard Beach is my favorite Disney water park. Still not as good, quite as good as Volcano Bay. My favorite Disney water park is Blizzard Beach. Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
How are you? So what's been your favorite slide you've done at Blizzard Beach today? Which one?
Can it be
Whichever one was your
first
favorite?
one that we did?
The one where you're on the raft? When you go, the big one where we're all together? Teamboat Springs? Teamboat Springs, you heard it here. I thought you liked the one with the slider. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Tired already?
No.
You got it, dude. Whoa! Good job, right here, cutie pie. Good work. You got it. Goose! Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on! If you come to either one of the water parks, Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach, you have to make sure you get the mini donuts. They are fantastic. They are sold by Joffrey's, and they come with a dipping sauce. We got chocolate. They're little donuts. They are made fresh right in front of you. You can get half a dozen or a dozen. I don't know the price difference, but I think the half dozen with our annual pass discount was $5.52. So you gotta try them. They are so good. You can do, I think they do powdered sugar. I don't remember. I didn't order these. So gotta try them though. They are freaking delicious. Aren't they good?
Yeah. The one down.
You having fun?
I want today.
Yep.
Okay. Why are we doing that?
Because he's tall enough. Last time you did that, you were spitting up water. Now you want a tube, huh?
Because I want to go fast.
I would venture to say 90% of the reason I go to water parks is to hang out in the lazy river. If your water park does not have a good lazy river, I'm not going. I'm spinning! Woohoo! Whoa, pretty fast. Oh, so cool. right behind me. Well, all this tubing stuff was fun, but it's time to go. Which way, left or right, kids? Go get a tube. There's one right behind us. Right there. Get in the tube. I don't care.
Where'd he go? Right behind me.
Ooh, that's cold.
You need foam?
I fell out mine.
I'm carrying literally everything.
Lots of Water Lodge has like flatbreads, chicken fingers, that kind of stuff. Nothing crazy, but it's all pretty good. I've had it before. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, comment down below. Share it with your friends and family. And watch them out for more. Hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Tell everybody bye. Say bye, everyone.
And bye, everyone. I love you.
Oh, that was sweet.